Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to post then and now on Facebook. Simply at first open your Facebook and create a new post. Select first photo. Select from my gallery. Press on next. Press on to pen option. Text. Okay, and press on right mark and press on again. Select the another pen option to edit text and now press on right mark, press on done, then and now press on to next, and finally press on to post. That's it.